Christ Academy has given me tools for what's next. I know Jesus better, I know people better, I know how to interact. I feel like they give you enough responsibility with enough boundaries that you learn proper time management, people skills. They make you do hard things. They're not going to just let you take the easy route. Teachers are personal and they know what works for you and what doesn't work. And I think for what's next, I definitely know that I'm better equipped because of the way that they've made me do things and challenged me, because it's not easy. Christ Academy is going to be the means to test the waters with college and dual credit through other universities, and that's really going to set me apart. Taking college classes now and being older, and I have the people skills and I have the ability to reach out and be successful in those college classes, because Christ Academy basically creates a mini college environment, or a mini environment that produces high academic work but also teaches you more than just science or math.